A win it was for Steve McLaren and the Reggae Boyz in Honduras last night. It's what I call a horses for courses performance, in that the Hondurans were playing at home. They were aggressive and intense. This was not like the Cuba game, where Jamaica got the chance and the space to play. We were under pressure for the entire game and ended up hanging on for dear life as the game situation dictated. In the end, the individual quality of the Jamaican offensive players produced the necessary big moment game-winning performances to knock the stuffing out of the Central Americans. And one takeaway from these two games, though, was that the team showed against Cuba that if given the space and the time, they can play good, organized-looking football. And when the situation changed, as it did in Honduras, them can scrape, and fight and grind out a result. And that's all good stepping forward into the World Cup qualifiers.